You know you can roast the seeds.
Mm-hmm.
Can we do that? Roast the seeds?
I don't know.
Thomas, your turn!
See those hands.
Huh?
Let me see those hands. Lovely.
It's not lovely.
What about your hands, Stanford?
Yeah, for sure. Your hands like this. There's stuff in my fingernails. You didn't even get your hands.
Are you done?
No, there's stuff all in my fingernails. I couldn't get it out.
Okay, now what we do is I gotta get a big spoon and it helps to scoop the rest of it out, okay?
I want to go now. A spoon fell right in the pumpkin. Jennifer, your turn. Scrape the bottom. We're still taking a bath tonight. Aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
You'll be at your mom's though. You go to your mom's before you take a bath.
Come on, Jennifer. Just slide off. Jennifer, you're not supposed to pull it out of the pumpkin. You're just supposed to scrape it off the bottom. So whenever we go to grab it, we can grab it out. Mine.
Okay, Bubba's turn. Don't hurry him. Don't rush. No rush.
A lot of stuff on there.
Hold the pumpkin with your other hand, Talia.